Just in a pinch for TDH, you know?
Yes, sir. And I see how you got your trunk. Did you cut out, modify?
I did. It's modified. Let's try this. 19 hertz.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Mathew. I got 2 Sundown U12s and about a 4.5 cubic foot box, tuned to 29 hertz. Def Bounce AAK 4000 wired at 1 ohm. Got the regular dual inputs right now. I just bought the actual full tilt dual inputs here. I got a Crescendo S2 on the mids. Right now I got 2 6.5 Dayton audios per door. The pillars are getting ready to be worked on. Everything is going to be Dayton audio.
All right.
Dayton audio, woofers in the door, reference series up top, and silk beams.
Awesome.
Just in a pinch for TDH, you know?
Yes, sir. And I see how you got your trunk. Did you cut out, modify?
I did. It's modified.
Okay.
Originally, I cut it down about an inch, or cut it about an inch, and I had to spot weld it back.
Okay. All
and
right.
put as much second scan as I could to keep things together back
yes,
there.
Yes, sir.
I tuned it low because I'm doing all the speakers up here.
Yep.
My woofers will play everything from 50 hertz and up. So.
Got it. Can I see the back?
Check out the old Volkswagen.
Yes. Oh, Octo port.
Octo.
Nice.
Yeah, I like Octo ports.
Looks good, man. Your box don't move. Solid to the platform.
I bolted it down as best as I could. I bolted 4 brackets on there.
All right, ready to hear it.
All right.
Going on, everyone? I do daily car audio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Mathew's system. This was at the TDH show in 2021 in Virginia. Did a really great job showcasing it at the show, and I'm looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. He has a 2-song bass demo he's going to be playing on this. Really impressive. Go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Give him some positive feedback. Really like the amp layout staging he has set up. Having the amplifier in front of the subs instead of mounted on the box is definitely a plus. Some people have always commented, I've noticed, and said, well, why would you put the amplifier right here in front of the actual subwoofers? Well, at least he has it mounted on another platform instead of on the box, so less vibration issues. And having this Octo port, I didn't get the exact measurement size of it. It looks like around a 7 to 8 inch Octo port size. And he said the tuning was 29 hertz, so it definitely goes deep. And you can see he has some brackets holding the box down, so it definitely didn't move much, and you'll see some crazy flex. So we're going to go ahead and get to the 2-song bass demo now. The second song is insane. Consider subscribing for daily cardio videos and enjoy the demo. This is crazy.
We'll play the same song he played.
breaking back. It's DJ
Oh, that's the different.
Rustical.
Oh,
Yo,
sorry.
pass me that Jeezy.
I got the wrong song. Let's try this. 19 hertz.
Wow, man. I got down just for the lows, too.
Well, I tuned it low.
Okay.
Because I'm doing all the speakers up here.
Yep.
Woofers are playing everything.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.